Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our ninth question. Draw a line segment of length 7.2 centimeter. So 7.2 centimeter you have to draw, and after that and divide in the ratio of 5:3. Measure the two parts. So first let's going to draw 7.2 centimeters with line segment. So 7.2 centimeter. Let's keep it your horizontally, scale horizontally, and draw that from 0 to 7.2. So after 7 2 mm. So let's take it this one as AB. Let's keep it this one as AB line segment. Draw AB line segment is 7.2 centimeter, and after that we have to A as a center, draw with an acute angle. Let's take it acute angle, any one angle, acute angle. So draw one ray, A as a center, draw one ray with an acute angle, So here maybe any one angle, you can take any angle here, theta. So theta will be acute angle. Theta will be acute angle, that is theta is less than 90 degrees and 0 degrees. So from 0 degrees to 90 degrees you can take any one angle. Draw as this is AX. So draw AX is a ray. AB is a line segment. Draw AX with it is ray. Draw one ray A as a center with the angle, and draw one ray AX, ray here making an acute angle, theta here acute angle. Now what you have to take it here is draw an arc. So AX, on AX arc, draw an arc A as a center. So A as a center, let's take it any one length. Let's take one. So this is one arc, and let's take it this one as A1, this one as A1, that is A1. Let's take it A1 as a radius, A1 as a radius, and draw A2. So this is A2. So this is the A2. What you can write it here as A1 as A1 as radius, and A1 will be equal to A1 A2, that will be equal to A2 A3, and so on up to equal to what you can write here as A7 A8. Why? Because here is the 5:3 ratio. 5:3 ratio, that implies total parts. How many parts? Total number of parts will be equal to 5 plus 3, that will be equal to 8. So total 8 parts is there. For that 8 arcs you have to draw on ray up to A1 to A2. So A8 parts you have to draw. So this is first part, second part, third part, like that. How many parts you have to draw with the radius as same, A1 A2, and this is A3, and this is A4, then A5, then A6, and A7, and A8. So how many parts we are covered here? A8 parts. So this is A3, and this is A4, and this is A5, and A6, A7, and A8. So let's join A8 and B. Join, what you can write, join A8 and B, that implies A8B. A8B. So now what you can write A8B, join from A8B. So what you can say here is, so we are making, what is here is, we are making indirectly triangle with the similar parallel to the midpoint. So up to how many parts? So A8B, now through the draw parallel line to A8B, what is that? Intersecting. So by Thales theorem, what you can write here is draw. So by Thales theorem, by Thales theorem, what you can write? So here A is to 5 is to 3 is a ratio. For that it is A8B parallel to, what you can write here is, so how many parts? So 5 is to 3, right? A5, let's take it A5C. So A5C, this is the one. So A8B is a parallel to A5C. Why? Because here 5 is to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's take it right here. This is the point parallel to this. So parallel to, so draw, this is the point. So parallel to this, what you can write, these two are parallel. Let's take it. This is C, A, B, C. So A5, C is a parallel to A8, B. Now what you can write here is, by using of Thales theorem, A5 is to A5, A8 will be equal to AC is to CB. AC is to CB. So that is the one. You can write AC is to CB. That is here A5 will be equal to 5 parts. A5, 8 is a 3 parts. That is AC is to CB. Now you can write AC is to CB will be equal to 5 is to 3. Now let's going to measure what is this measurements by Thales theorem. According to, so if any line is parallel to the third side, so this is the third side, then this parallel line is divided these two sides into equal ratios. So based on that, let's going to measure what is the AC. So AC will be equal to, it's getting that 4.5. So 4.5 AC will be equal to, what is that? 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, and CB will be equal to, what is that? 1 to 2.7 centimeter. Exactly 2.7 centimeter. So this is 2.7 centimeter and this is 4.5 centimeter. If you take 4.5 by 2.2 by 27, what value we are getting here is, so let's take it, therefore AC by CB, we will get 4.5 by 2.7, it is 45 by 27. So what value we are getting here is 9 3s are 9 5s are, so 5 by 3 we are getting 5 by 3, that is 5 is to 3. So this is the way of writing and drawing the diagram. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.